For questions 5 and 6, they're pretty easy. Again, our job is to get rid of any bracket or negative exponent. For question number 5, only the x is raised to the power of -5. So that's the part that will go to the denominator. So the answer will be, I'm going to place my fraction bar, the x will go to the denominator and it becomes to the power of 5. What stays in the numerator? 3y. So my answer for question number 5 is 3y over x to the power of 5. Now let's go to question number 6. I have the coefficients here. They're not raised to any exponent, so I'm just going to simplify them as a normal fraction. Both can be divided by 5, so I'm going to divide this by 5, and I'm going to divide this by 5. They will cancel out to be 5 divided by 5 will be 1 over 15 divided by 5 will be 3. So now I got rid of the 5 and the 15 to be 1 over 3. I just reduced the fraction part. Now I'm going to simplify the x's together. And remember, when we divide powers that have the same base, we subtract the exponents. This x, the one at the top, is raised to the power of 1, and the one at the bottom is raised to the power of 3. So our job is to subtract the exponent. I'm going to place a box here, treat it as my draft or scrap paper. So I'm going to subtract the exponents, 1 minus 3. And 1 minus 3 gives us -2. Since the exponent came out as a negative number, this means we're going to place the x as the denominator, not the numerator, because remember, when we have a negative exponent, we flip or find the reciprocal of the base. So the denominator will involve x to the power of +2 this time. Because the -2, when it goes down, it becomes +2. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing for the y's. Here we have y to the power of 2 divided by y to the power of 1. We subtract the exponents, which are 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Since it's positive, that means that the y will go in the numerator. So it's y to the power of 1. It's up to you to put the 1 or not. I'd rather not, so I leave it 1y over 3x to the power of 2, or even better, y over 3x to the power of 2, and that's my final answer.